Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. Excuse my voice, I'm full of flu again. So, yeah, I suppose we can safely say that this is a triangle breakout. This level here is pretty significant, and that's 4,200. If you just come to the daily, and you'll see that is, where is it? Here, that is the high of this year so far. So we have a new high for the year, and at the same time we have a pretty big inverse head and shoulders. So there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the right shoulder, and that is pretty much a trigger for a bigger move up. So what we're looking for, obviously, as I said yesterday, we were looking for a pullback, which we got. And it would have been probably fine-tuned on the hour. So I'm just going to take that one there because that's probably the closest. But we were looking for a pullback. We got the pullback, and then we got a pretty big move to the upside. So for today, probably a little bit more the same, but I think you may find some profit taking. So in other words, it may just retrace a little bit, or alternatively just go sideways. But what you're looking for is obviously 4,200 needs to be defended for the week. The logic here says come back to 41.89, and then from there have another attempt higher. But if you just look at yesterday's opportunities, sideways, onto structure, range bar, not quite a pin bar, but something worth taking. And your first trade would have been something like that, 100-point gain, and straight into, well, I would have got out as soon as I saw this red pin bar, to be honest, so that would have been about 188 points. But if you'd held on to that for a bit more structure, you may have got 300 points out of that. The second move was pretty clear as well. You can see that's swing low from the day. Pin bar, inside bar, beautifully set up. We could have taken a stab at it there for a 57-point loss, or when that bar closed, taken a 135-point risk, sorry, not loss, risk, and then targeting 157-point gain and then 267-point gain. So the two opportunities that showed themselves yesterday, and I think for now, trend is up. You're looking for opportunities to buy. 4,200 is the first one, and then 41.89 is the second one. So if you see price action along those levels, you're looking to buy. I just want to get the targets. I think we're gonna battle a little bit with targets. Yeah, there's not much. That is probably the next big area, and then there's one just before that, so I'll get that for you now. Okay, so we're looking for pullback onto a level, and then your next levels to the upside is 42.60 and 43.11. So I'd actually just round that off. Go to target 42.50 and then target 4300 as a second move. So pay attention to this today. It could get up there, or alternatively, it could just drift all the way back down to come and test this 4150 area. But 4200 is a key area. If we stay above that from the weekly, that also breaks this diamond formation to the upside, and a break of the diamond formation to the upside does give us a pretty solid measured move from the bottom of the move to the top of the diamond, pretty much the same way that you would measure a flag or range break. So, you know, the diamond move targets 44.30 or 4400. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. More of the same, all sideways, but wait for the pullback, and then you're looking to buy on the retest of the breaks. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.